Alright, what's up guys? We have a 2019 Brabus G550 in today for service. Let's get started. So we're just in the cooler right now to flush it out. This is for the turbo system. Alright guys, we drained all the fluids, so we're going to bring it back down and bleed the coolant system and fill the oil back up. Alright guys, so we got the battery charger hooked up and we have the skin tool connected. We're going to run the coolant pumps and fill the coolant to bleed it. Alright guys, so we're now going to move on to the fuel injection cleaning, and we're going to hook this up and we're going to block off the fuel line so it's only this running on it, and we are going to just run it for as long as it takes until it's empty. So we're first going to hook up the fuel system cleaner by hooking this hose up. So we're going to take the valve out of the test port, and then we're going to hook the line up. Alright. So we've got that line on. We're now going to connect the fuel injection cleaner. And next, we're going to pour our injection cleaning fluid in. Going to do the whole bottle. Alright. So now we're just going to connect air to our cleaner. And now we're all set up. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm just going to turn it on and let it run. So we're going for 70 PSI on this. Alright, so this is going to take the fuel pump out of the equation. So we have the fuel pump switched off, and we're going to run this to inject the cleaner, and it's only going to run off the cleaner. Alright, so now we're going to turn around and just let it run until there's no more fluid left, and then the injectors are all clean.